Hey my moochies, welcome back to another video. Let me stop myself right there. Yeah, you might have already noticed that I changed my name to John JK, but you know what? I'm still gonna call you mochis. So today's video is going to be a collab, but no MSP business with the other person I'm collabing with because they don't play MSP. But also, they refuse to call. And he goes to my school, so that's really fun. So first, he says, "Hello, bitches and assholes. Welcome to hell. Keep this friendly. Keep this friendly." Okay, so you could see that I've asked to call, but he also hates calling others. And welcome it. Oh my god, his next message is hilarious. Okay, so basically I do want to play MSP while I answer his questions, so I have that app on my phone and like I'm reading his messages, but like yeah, you can add me on Discord by the way. I'm here with a K-pop girl to expose her. Great, now let's start. Guys, why am I known as the K-pop girl? What has this become? Oops, okay, I'm like messing up my password right now. Did I even? Yeah, thought I can get that right. Come on. I got that right? Question. In our past DMs, who did you say was hot? Answer, Jungkook. Oh yeah, by the way, I was going to make a reacting to the new scene video, but like it was 2 a.m. and my parents were asleep. Also, I tried recording, and then it just dumped me. So yeah, I got it correct. Ding ding, let's go. Okay. So we're going to, okay, why am I doing this? It's like literally no point. Let's answer some of your messages after MSP decides to not get loady. Question. What was the reason you put pink hair on your drawing? Answer, because you said you were going to. Temporarily. How do you spell temporarily? Temporarily. Okay, you know, temporarily. Dye your hair pink. I love how like some of my friends like watch this video and they know exactly who I'm talking to, and then I'm just exposing him as well as exposing myself. Oh god, yep. MSP is really not having me right now. Like, huh? Okay, well, got it correct. Yeah, so okay, that's enough. So I don't think he knows I'm also going to be playing this game with while answering his questions. So that's why I think that this. Ooh, now I have to select an answer. Okay, okay. Okay, that's actually cool. What got you into K-pop? 1. Memes. 1. 2. You just found it. What is 3? What is 3? 3 better be like, they all look so handsome. That's not the reason. After you Google the word hot. Actually, none of those. I actually got into them by listening to their music, and none. Okay, none. I got into them by listening to their amazing. Wait, he's a 1980s boy, so like amazing. Better than 1980s music. I know I offended a lot of people there, but I said that as a joke, not as like someone to, not as like to like offend anyone. I said that as a joke. I just want to let that go. But also, I'm obsessed with this hair, and since it's like really cute, I don't know why. It's so me. Okay. He just called me an asshole. I get like slight offended by that. But you know, it's fine. I get offended by everything. Ooh, this is cute. I like this. Holy crap. Holy crap! Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, that's so bad. Answer. Really, I don't know. I've been collecting plushies since I was like 5, so I'm gonna go. Let's see. Let's name like all the plushies I can see in my room. So I have you. I quit. Like, I'm not gonna give you a random answer. Like, I'm not gonna go ahead and like try to find all my plushies for you. Also, you guys can tell that I'm very introverted. Oh, this is actually a very easy question. Plus time. God. Great, let's continue. How is that good? Now let's switch it up. What? Ooh, ask me questions now. You guys. Actually, like found this like site. What is the customer experience you are trying to deliver? What emotions are you trying? What are the emotions you are trying to evoke? Okay. Question. What are the emotions you are trying? What was that word? Evoke? Evoke. Okay. Evoke. Did I even spell that correctly? Yes. Yes. This is hilarious. I'm not even sure if he knows what evoke means. How much do you expect? Bro, is this all about customers? Why? Ooh, okay. Okay. Oh my god! All except for love because I fucking hate you? Wonder nobody likes you, you asshole. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding! Oh, what fell? Shit show. You're a shit. You're a piece of shit, you shit show. Well, you're participating in the shit show, so you're a piece of shit. Oh, okay. Why do you hate K-pop? I'm pretty sure it's like a simplistic reason, like because like he doesn't enjoy their music very much, or like if they call them shitheads or something like that. I'm gonna take real offense to that because not many people in my school like accept it. I just farted. Many people on my channel love K-pop, so now I'm gonna expose your users so they complimentally, no, complimently, that's not a word, but complimentally, stop. Completely hate on your face. Okay, so like, anyways, oh, did I mention that I'm going to be like putting his channel in the description? Anyways, this is his channel, Mr. Star. If you can't find his channel, I'm going to be linking it in the description. But also, if you still don't find his channel, which is actually pretty stupid, you can type Mr. Star I got bored so you could see his channel and this video. Yay! Fuck you, I already have 50 people who hate on me. Why do you wanna fuck me? You're too young. No, I'm moving. Please, I'm sorry, please. Please continue. Please continue. Oh my god, that's hilarious. I'm literally so I'm so weird. I literally just copied and pasted somewhere on the internet. Right, it won't expose you. Because I'm actually a good friend that won't expose you. Germany, because you know somewhere else there. Okay. What teacher in school made the most impact in you and why? Okay. So let's see. Question. Paste. Oh, okay. That was weird. I actually apologize for that. Oh, that's so nice. Sorry. What do you want your tombstone to say? I like knowing him, he's probably going to be like, here lies a piece of shit. No, wait, oh, frick. No, crap. Copy. Now make the, what do you want your tombstone to say? This was originally going to be an MSB and a collab video, but like, also, did I tell you who was the shithead that bought YouTube's premium and I'm now watching Lies on Demand? It's a good show. Ooh, that's good. That's actually good. Okay. How do you spend your free time? Question, okay. Paste. Discord and listening to Queen. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And I'm just going to say that, I'm just going to remind you that his YouTube channel is going to be linked in the description. So, subscribe and subscribe to him. Bye, my mochis.